Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make a quick and easy juice on the go with my Ninja portable travel juicer. This is my portable travel Ninja juice blender. I have no more excuse for not juicing. It makes juicing quick and easy, and these are the fresh fruits, vegetables, herb and seeds that I have gathered on the cruise ship buffet that I'll be juicing for breakfast. It's a mixture of cucumber, carrots, ginger, a variety of melon all chopped up, pineapple, a slice of orange, and even lemon. There's one more, just keep watching. A combination of all of this will give my body the best chance to detox, rehydrate, refresh, energize, boost my immunity, manage my weight, and give my body the best chance of wellness, even when I'm on the go, on a very busy schedule, or in a different environment. Prep time is already taken away because this was already prepped before I got it. You can grab an already pre-packed fruits and vegetables from a superstore and you're good to go. The seed of the day is pumpkin seed. I love pumpkin seed. The milk is so creamy, one of my faves. Pumpkin seed is loaded with plant-based protein that is good for muscle repair. It is loaded with magnesium, which is great for heart health, and good fats. It has plenty of fiber in it, which makes it good for digestive health and prevents constipation, helps with weight management, and so on and so forth. Enough of that lecture, Julie. Is juice on the go, so let's get started. Having added all my ingredients, I must add water. It can be water or milk, but you need fluid to the specified mark according to Ninja specification. It's a juice blender, so it needs fluid to blend effectively. I turn on the button and wait for the purple to be full before blending. If you've not watched the unboxing video, then do so. Let's blend. See, all done. Super simple and easy to make. Energizing, detoxifying, refreshing, rehydrating, immunity boosting, healthy wellness juice on the go. Look at that popping color. A cup of wellness. No preservatives, no additives, just fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. I call it juice while I cruise. You call it juice on the go. It is super easy and simple to make, irrespective of your schedule. If you found this video insightful, then like it, subscribe if you have not, leave me a comment, share, and until I see you next time, make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Bye.